Okay, people, I have an 06 Honda Pilot here. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light or maintenance reminder light. I do all of my maintenance myself. It's a very easy car to do all your maintenance. I do all my oil changes, coolant flushes, brake fluid flush, transmission service, rear differential service. It's very anyways, I just got finished changing my oil and my oil light's on. All you gotta do, it's really simple. Press and hold for 10 seconds. Let go. Press and hold for 5 seconds. Simple as that. My car has 241,000 miles on it. Still runs like a champ. Original motor, original transmission. Like I said, these are amazing cars. Only thing you gotta do is about every 100,000 miles replace the timing belt on them. But I use this. I got a couple jet skis I pull behind it. It'll pull some weight, but I'd never pulled anything big. I'd be more afraid to pull anything large. But they're all-wheel drive, leather interior, they're extremely comfortable, heated seats, just great cars all in all. If for any reason you need your radio code, I have another video I did about how to retrieve your radio code. It'll stay up here, like it'll say code, and you press and hold these buttons, you get a serial number, and then I have a link to the website for Honda where you just enter your information and they'll give you the code to your radio. It's that simple. But I'll have a link below how to get the retrieval of the radio code. But if you guys have any other questions, if you have any other questions or information that you'd like me to make a video about on these Honda Pilots, be more than glad to leave a comment below and or a question below, and I'll respond. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate if you subscribe. But hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you.